In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Notion AI for your workspace. Here's the quick reality check first. On most plans, Notion doesn't provide a simple AI on-off toggle inside the app. Some enterprise workspaces may have a dedicated AI switch in workspace settings, but for most users, the reliable way to turn off AI is to ask Notion support to disable it for your workspace. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and what to expect along the way. Start by opening Notion, so in your browser and logging into the workspace where you want AI turned off. Using a desktop browser makes this process easier because the help menu is always visible and navigation is straightforward. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of Notion for the question mark icon labeled Help and Support. Click that to open the Help panel. This is where you'll find the options to reach Notion's team. Depending on your interface, you'll see either Get Support or Contact Support. Both options take you to the same place, a short form or chat window where you can send a request directly to support. In the message box, keep things clear and simple. You can write, "Please disable all Notion AI features for my workspace." That direct language makes it immediately obvious what you want. If you like, you can add a brief line identifying the workspace by name so the team can locate it quickly. There's no need to include any sensitive personal information, just a concise, polite request that covers exactly what you need. Go ahead and send the request. After that, it's a waiting game. Response times can vary depending on their queue, so don't worry if you don't hear back right away. Notion support will confirm once AI has been disabled for your workspace, and that confirmation is your signal that the change is complete. When it's done, you should notice AI-related options, like AI writing suggestions or Ask AI, no longer appearing in your workspace. Your existing pages and content stay intact. You're simply removing the AI functionality behind those features. If you happen to be on an enterprise plan and you do see a workspace-level AI switch in settings, you can use that instead. Otherwise, the support request method is the intended path for most users. That's it. Open Notion, head to Help and Support, contact support, send the disable request, and wait for their confirmation. Once you see the AI options disappear, you'll know it worked. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you take control over AI in your Notion workspace.